Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. In this video, we'll have a closer look at the PORA Maintenance module, right after this. As with most of the other maintenance windows, you can use the buttons below to delete, to add, and to duplicate. Let's add a new PORA. In fact, we'll create two. A RA, or Received on Account, and a PO, or Payout. Select whether the PORA will be used to receive or to pay out. Select whether Managerial Rights should be required or not, and set the printer and print font to be used when printing out the PORA transactions. Select the default tender from the drop-down list, or click on the Tender Maintenance button to create a new tender. In this case, we'll set these two PORAs to cash as the default tender. This will allow us to add the two PORA functions to our keyboard. Pressing on the Receieved key will allow us to add cash to our cash register. Pressing on the PayOut key will allow us to remove cash from our cash register. On GoPOS, you will first enter the amount and then press the PORA key. For example, if I want to add $20 cash to the cash drawer, I would first enter the amount, 20, then press the Receieved key. You may also use a different tender than the default tender defined in the PORA. To do this, press the PORA key first, then enter the amount, and then press on the tender you wish to use for this transaction. Well, that is all there is really to setting up PORAs, but stay tuned, and in the next video we will have a closer look at setting up customer accounts in the Balance Function Maintenance module.
But why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.